Looks great.
The cold spray.
Gonzo cold spray. We have our patient Coco. Hey Coco, how you doing today?
I'm good.
Is it okay with you if we video for YouTube and you know, all that good stuff?
Yes.
Yeah. So how long have you had shoulder pain?
About 1.5 years.
You used to be my patient in the old location, didn't you?
I was.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, she used to be my patient over there. Then she quit me, didn't you?
Yes.
Actually, I moved, right?
You moved.
I know. And then you were seeing somebody else. Tell us about that experience. And why are you back with me?
I didn't care for that doctor.
Why?
Because you had to make an appointment for everything.
Really?
Prescriptions was an appointment.
Really? Dimple.
Injection was a different appointment.
Did he do your injections?
Yes.
Well, that's good. There's nothing wrong with that. What else happened?
Well, everything, you just have to make a different appointment for everything. It's like all he wants is money, 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 money.
So he wouldn't take care of your diet-controlled diabetes, your injection, your medications, your health screening, and all that in one visit like I do?
No.
Well, that's not very nice.
And he allowed 15 minutes.
Oh, really?
That's it.
But we only allow 7 minutes.
No, I've been here longer than 7 minutes.
I know you have. Okay, so let's talk about your diet-controlled diabetes. You've been eating right.
Been eating better.
And you've lost a little weight since I've seen you.
Yes.
And your A1C was 6.7, and that means your glucose readings are probably averaging around 125 or so.
When he did check my A1C, it was 7.4.
Okay, so you've done good.
Yeah.
For somebody not on any medications.
Yep.
And you've had your shoulder injected before. How long ago was it?
It was in December.
Okay, so it's been about 6 months, so it's okay for you to get another shot. Now, we're going to give you a little cortisone lidocaine posterior injection at the right shoulder. Gonzo's going to spray some cold spray at the little dimple in the site that we prepared. Are you ready?
Very.
Do it, Gonzo. Good job. Little stick, don't move. Right in there. Deep breath. You feeling any pain?
Well, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Because Gonzo and I didn't feel anything, did we?
I can't.
You can't? Oh, we don't have gloves on. Did that hurt?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Because you didn't jump.
Well, because I'm afraid to jump, you might
It's a good idea.
hurt me.
You don't want to jump.
I think she's lying.
I don't think it hurt at all. I think you're just doing that to make me feel bad.
I think so too.
Yeah. Oh, I got my glove stuck on the Band-Aid.
Don't you hate that?
Yes, I really do.
I do
Could I get
too.
another alcohol swab, please, Gonzo?
I'm gonna do it.
So your diabetes is well controlled. Okay, is well controlled with your diet, and that's fantastic. And you quit smoking, right?
Well, I might need a little help there.
Oh no!
Yes.
Oh no! You haven't quit smoking?
No.
You know, there's new research that shows that smoking may actually be bad for your health. I don't know if you know about this or not. It's really groundbreaking stuff. You might want to look into that. Yeah, we have some medicine we can use to help you.
Oh, and he charged for that too.
Oh, he would charge for that too?
Yeah, just
so
for
basically, you
for
were
this
getting
little talking that
Oh.
you're doing to me about smoking. He would. That was another charge.
So if you went in for one thing, they wouldn't do anything else, and that's basically what you're saying.
Yes.
I just think that's a little bit nitpicky, don't you?
Yes.
We
So I
don't-
came back to you.
Yeah, but I'm going to charge you 7 copays since we've done about 7 different things today. No, we're just going to charge 1. Gonzo, do you have any words of wisdom for Coco today?
Good luck on your shoulder.
Good luck with your shoulder.
And nice to meet you, by the way.
Nice
since,
to meet you, she says.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Dr. Gilmore didn't really introduce me.
Oh, this is Coco. This is Gonzo.
I'm his adopted daughter.
Yeah,
That's
adopted.
leaving him.
Yeah, she's my Salvadorian daughter that I never had.
Oh.
So tonight, about an hour before you go to bed, I want you to ice your shoulder for 20 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
All right, and keep doing what you're doing with your diabetes, your diet control there. We can help you quit smoking. We can give you Chantix.
Yes.
All right, have you done Chantix before?
Yes, and then I ran out, so I'm going to need about 3 months.
Okay.
That'll get me off and keep me off.
Okay, we can do that. So we'll give you the starter pack with maintenance pack follow-ups.
Okay.
And what else do you have going on today?
Me?
No, me.
Gonzo. Shoot, Coco, you're the patient.
I'm
This is
going
your
car
time.
shopping for my son. He's 17.
All right.
Good
All right.
luck.
Well, thanks for letting us video your little procedure.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you later.
Bye.
All right, guys, watch the Meta 7 video, guys.
Okay, we're going. Tell us about Meta 7. Yes.
Meta 7 is great. You suggested for me last time I was here
Right.
3 months ago, and I take it every morning like I'm supposed to, and it works. I'm not jittery, and it gives me energy that lasts, and I'm even able to go to sleep at night as well. So,
How about cramps?
good.
Are you getting any muscle cramps?
no muscle cramps. No,
Awesome.
no.
So you love it.
I love it. I really do.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Well, we're going to refill you today.
Great.
All right.